I'm ItsMEyasanga. This is my first tour representing Deco Instruments as an R&D engineer. This is my first tour in China. I'm going to speak a bit about my first tour experience, how the cultural aspects in here, and what I gained from here, and all the things I've learned and new experience I've gained, and all those things. And I'm gonna share all those with you. So stay on with me. This is my first time ever been on a flight, so it was really special. The flight was awesome. Food and the service at the two flights were so good. From the very moment I get this opportunity to fly, all of the fellow staff members were helpful to make it a success. At China, for the first time in my life, I got the experience of riding the underground train, which was called the metro. It was a really good experience. This is the first time I've ever seen a developed country, and my visit was at the winter season. Walking through the streets with fresh air and ice around was simply amazing. Their streets are clean and the cities are beautiful. Beauty of the night at the Shanghai city was a whole new experience to me. If I talk about the food I had the chance to experience lots of food in China. The food culture is a bit different. I almost had every type of meat, I guess. We were free to eat and enjoy anything. Meat is their favorite, so differently prepared rice with various meat, many types of noodles, and fruits were top rice I marked in my list. So that's in brief about the food. Actually, I got so much nice experience when I'm traveling here and there. Even when I'm jogging, walking through the streets, I have so much pleasure, so much fun by seeing the things I've never seen. Actually, the discipline of the people, the things they are doing to keep disciplinary, each and everything, which amazed me a lot. So this is actually a nice experience. This is my first time in another country, and that's cool. More than it's cool, it's amazing. As an R&D engineer, what I do is I do responsible for the firmware development in here. I gained lots of hands-on experience in electronics, not only in firmware. I learned lots of new things in industrial aspects for my career development as an R&D engineer. I would like to thank Mr. Ming and also Ms. Sanjila and Sindhaka from my heartfelt gratitude for all of them, and also the team I've been here with. They are so helpful, and also the staff in here in China, they are so helpful. So this is actually a nice experience, and I'm looking forward to try it again maybe. So thank you.